Hey guys, it's Avery from the SWAT team, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to access the desktop version of Safari, which is now available with iPadOS or iOS 13. So to access this, make sure that your iPad is updated so that you can have this feature. To go to Docs, just type in docs.google.com and click Go. So as you can see, this is the normal desktop version, which isn't available through the app. So just create a new blank document. And now you're brought to this page, which looks very different than the app and has all of the features that the normal desktop version has. One difference between this and the app version is the app version is very simplified, so tons of the features aren't available, or if they are, they're hidden away in menus and it's kind of hard to find. One addition that this has that the app does not have is the ability to use add-ons. Add-ons are ways for you to just add ways for docs to work better, such as adding in a way to grade it or adding in equations or things like that. So to get add-ons, just click Get Add-ons, and you're brought to this G Suite Marketplace, which has tons of different ones you can have. So just scroll down, find one that you like, or if there's a specific one you're looking for, you can click Search and find one. If you have any questions about add-ons or how they work or how to add them, please come by the SWAT room and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching.